Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy M05 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. Fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings. And hit family and there parental controls. As you can see now I have page 3. The visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls and there we can change it from page 3 to maybe allow included underrated, confirm got it and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. That's all, we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!